Hi guys, I am Prince Rivera, aka The Great of Pinoy Vapors Forum. Um, Welcome to another episode of Pinoy Vapor Reviews and whatnot. Today we will talk about Puff Daddy's own rebuildable atomizer. Ang tawag nila dito is Revolution version 1. Okay, so this is the package, no? What you will get is a 3mm silica, 0.2mm Cantal wire, screwdriver Phillips, and the Puff Daddy call card, and last but not least the Revolution version 1. So the Revolution version 1 is made of 304 stainless steel, similar to other rebuildable atomizers. It has its 2-pole terminal for the coil connection, and it has 2 O-rings as well for a tighter seal with your top cap. And what they use this time is a Phillips screw, stainless, wherein for me it is more advantageous, no, than using Allen screws, because you can easily get a hold of any Phillips screwdrivers that can fit the screws, unlike other rebuildables that they have their own Allen wrenches, which sometimes ay nawawala. Well, actually most of the time they get lost, but this one they've used the Phillips head. The first thing we will do is to prepare the Cantal and the silica wick for our build. Just cut around 1.5 to 2 inches of silica. And then fold it like that. And then we will wrap the Cantal into a coil, roughly around 4 turns. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we'll cut the 2 ends. And this will be our coil. Next thing we'll do is to insert the 2 ends of the Cantal coil into the holes of the 2 terminals. Just like that. And hold the wick down and screw both terminals tight. And then cut the excess wires. Next, we will check the resistance of the build that we have made with this Pro Vari Mini. .1 and then torch the silica and then soak it with your juice. What we will be using is Addicts Burn Sagot Gulaman, provided by my friend Alvin Serrano. Soak it down. Okay. We will fire it up at 3.4 volts. Then place the top cap with the air hole pointing at the coil. And replace our drip tip. We are ready to go. So we will test the performance of the Revolution V1 with the Addicts Burn Sagot Gulaman 50/50 PGBG. Okay, the draw is spot on with the, I think it's around 1 millimeter for the air hole. Not too light and not too tight either. That is my favorite spot. Vapor production is good. At the scale of 1 to 10, it's around 8. Throat hit is around 8 also. Flavor is around 8 also. Now, as for that, the thumbs down that I have with this Revolution version 1 is the included silica and the Cantal wire. The quality of the silica is not that good, and the Cantal wire is not that good also. But as for the performance of the Revolution V1, it's very good. It's very reliable. And one thing I noticed, no, um, with the insulator inside, it seems that the insulator can hold up to excessive heat. Even when I torch the poles a little bit, there are no signs of melting. That's good, while other revealables are not that good with their insulators, so that's a big plus for me. That's one thumbs up. And overall, for the stainless steel material, very good performance. This is one very good rebuildable atomizer, no, available locally here in the Philippines. So I would recommend you to try it out also, aside from other RAs that we have. um, well, as we all know, the vapor production is really dependent on the build. So if what you're looking for is reliable and sturdy and very good performing atomizer, this is recommendable. And that's it. Bili na kayo ng Revolution V1 from Puff Daddies. Thank you, Sir Ponky, for this atomizer, Revolution V1. And this is Prince J. Rivera, aka the Great of Pinoy Vapors Forum. Keep on vaping and good day.